The South African midfielder Bongani Zungu will not be joining Moroccan powerhouse Wydad Casablanca, despite promising training sessions and a favorable report with Wydad head coach Rulani Mokoena. The 31-year-old, who had been training with the team in hopes of securing a move to North Africa, returned to South Africa after contract negotiations broke down, reportedly due to financial disagreements. The deal was expected to bring Zungu back into continental competition with a one-season contract on the table. However, sources close to the player confirmed that both parties could not settle on terms, particularly regarding compensation. The source said, "Zungu is a player of quality and experience, and he won't come cheap. He proved his value in training under Mokoena, but fair competition is non-negotiable. He hasn't ruled out a return to Europe, where he still has appeal." Zungu, known for his extensive international experience, has played in Portugal, France and Scotland, making a name for himself with Vitória de Guimarães, Amiens and Rangers. After a successful European stint, he returned to South Africa, where he spent the past 2 seasons with Mamelodi Sundowns. Since leaving Sundowns in June, Zungu has been a free agent, waiting for the right opportunity to continue his career. While the door to Wydad appears closed for now, the seasoned midfielder remains hopeful of future prospects, whether in Africa or beyond. For now, Zungu's search for a new club and a new chapter continues. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.